In this video, I'm going to show you how to install and download Node.js. When you search the download Node.js on the Google, you will find this result. Now you have to select your operating system. I'm using the Mac, or if you're using Windows, you can select this installer. You have to install this one. It is going to install the installer, but I am using this one. So when this file will be downloaded, you have to install it. After successfully installed, you can verify from the terminal. If you have command prompt, you can open that. If you are using Windows, you can open the command prompt, or you can use your Git terminal. In this way, you can verify your Node version, Node -- version. I'm currently using 10.16.0, but you can install latest version LTS, which is recommended. After successfully installed Node.js, you can also double check from that. When you type the node, you will enter into the REPEL, REPEL. Like you can execute the node code. Let me do some multiplication. You can do that. I'm gonna press exit, Control C. Now we have to install our code editor. I'm going to use VS Code. If you don't have VS Code, you have to install it. I'm currently using the VS Code. Actually, I already installed VS Code. So I'm gonna open it here. VS Code. Let's create a new file. Or I'm gonna create a new JavaScript folder here. Let's try to create a new file. I'm gonna say that. Let me save that file by Command S. I'm gonna save into my downloads. The name of the file should be server.js, or you can use any name. You must use this extension .js because we are using the JavaScript. Under the hood, Node is written. You have to execute your code in the form of JavaScript. So hello world. So how do you execute your Node.js code? You have to open your terminal into the downloads folder. I will also share you some another techniques. Here we have the server.js file. CD downloads. Please go to the downloads folder. Now you can see that I moved into the downloads folder. Now you can see the server.js file. Here I'm gonna say node server.js. You will see the hello world. I do have another shortcut. You can also use a VS Code built-in terminal by command and the tilde, control and the tilde. I think you can also find terminal from here. You can also do that. Yep. Go to the view and you will find the terminal. So this is the built-in terminal. It is pointing out the server.js file. No, I think it is not pointing out the server.js file. CD downloads. Now you can see the server.js file. I'm gonna run the file server.js. Cool. In this way you can run your code. When you enter the Node server, Node will treat it treated it as a JS file. I'm also going to show you how to declare variables. I'm sure you must familiar with JavaScript basics. Now you can see the 30.